Welcome, let us begin. My pain may be the reason for somebody's laugh, but my laugh must never be the reason for somebody's pain. We do survive every moment, after all, except the last one. Pain is inevitable, suffering is optional. You never know how strong you are until being strong is your only choice. Out of suffering have emerged the strongest souls, the most massive characters are seared with scars. Life is pain, so live it up while you can. Sit with the pain until it passes, and you will be calmer for the next one. Adversity is the first path to truth. Great things never came from comfort zones. Although the world is full of suffering, it is full also of the overcoming of it. True self-discovery begins where your comfort zone ends. One word frees us of all the weight and pain of life. That word is love. New beginnings are often disguised as painful endings. If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it, and this you have the power to revoke at any moment. I can bear any pain as long as it has meaning. Change happens when the pain of staying the same is greater than the pain of change. People go through so much pain trying to avoid pain. Humility after the first shock is a cheerful virtue. The real man smiles in trouble, gathers strength from distress, and grows brave by reflection. The pain will live once it has finished teaching you. Pain nourishes courage. You can't be brave if you had only had wonderful things happen to you. We must embrace pain and burn it as fuel for our journey. You may have had unfair things happen to you, but the depths of your pain is an indication of the height of your future. There is no education like adversity. We must all suffer from one of two pains, the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. The difference is, discipline weighs ounces, while regret weighs tons. Let me embrace thee, sour adversity, for wise men say it is the wisest course. It is only through labor and painful effort, by grim energy and resolute courage, that we move on to better things. Our strength grows out of our weaknesses. It hurts because it matters. Thank you for your time. Stay strong.